Kia Stinger doing the rear brake pads. Over here is a little compartment. Uncover my reservoir so I can keep an eye on my fluid. I put the whole rear end of the car in the air using the diff. Now we're going to take off our tire. Alright, so once you get your tire off, put your jack stand in there. Now you have two 14 millimeters to take off this caliper. 14 millimeter here, 14 millimeter right there. Two 14s will take off your caliper. Alright, I just use a ratchet to break them loose. And after that, I get my electric Milwaukee. Take it the rest of the way out. Same thing with the bottom. Now I have both my 14s out. You can just hold on to your caliper, rock it back and forth. Rest it up there. We're going to need to compress our pistons. Yeah, we'll need to compress our piston. I'll show you how to do that. But first, we want to remove our old brake pads. These brakes are a little hard to get, and Kia did not send new clips, new anti-rattle clips. So you don't want to take these out. I can just use a small flathead. Kind of pop it out of there. Just like that. Keep them to the side, right next to your bolts if you want. Because you're going to need to reuse them. Same thing for the bottom one. Just take them out and then remove the brake pads. Alright, so both clips are moved. Now you can just either try to use your hand. Take your old brake pads out just like that. Same thing with the inside, just push it out. Alright, old brake pads are out. I'm going to take one of them, put it in here, and use a C-clamp setup to compress this piston. Alright, and that's going to be my setup right there. C-clamp, old brake pad. Just turn clockwise till you get your piston all the way in. Alright, piston's been compressed. These brake pads you cannot find at the AutoZone, so I had to go to the dealer. That's the part number there. Alright, so here's my new brake pad. Just want to make sure my wear strip on the same side. This is going to be your inside pad. So this is going to get installed back here. And this is your outside one with no wear strip. Basically the pad goes in just like this. Just push it up in there. I have a little bit of a hard time here. Just like that. Same thing for the rear, for the inside. Okay, I didn't show you guys where you're going to install those clips. These clips here. There's some holes in the pad. Alright, new pads are in. You can kind of see the holes there. The holes are right there. So basically, just going to take your clip. Put them just like that. Right into those holes. Same thing with the bottom clip. And now that's what it's going to look like. Both clips installed. Now you want to just kind of push these pins in and reinstall your caliper. Alright, once you install the caliper, put back in your two number 14s. One there, tighten them down. Repeat the process on the other side. Put back on your tire, cover back your reservoir, and pump your brake pedal before you move off. And that's the Kia Stinger front brake pad or rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.